Welcome to this Printess use case video. My name is Axel, and in this video I will explain how the paper color of a layout snippet can influence the background color of the target document. Therefore, I set up 3 different documents here. They are part of a layout library, so the document type is not standalone but layout library. That's number 1. And I just really did 3 different paper colors. So if we have a look at the layers here, there is only one shape because the color really comes from the document settings. If we go to the ruler, this is really just the paper color, which I can change like usual. In the next step, I have to publish all these 3 snippets. I gave them the tag paper color. And after this is done, we need a target document. So I open up another browser with a new document to go to the Layouts tab here, add the group called PaperColor. Let's get the previews shown. Here we go. And if I now select one of these or all of them step by step, these layout snippets, we don't see the paper color here on our target document, because therefore we have to activate the option apply snippet paper color to, and in this case I will start with the document paper color. And if we now do it again, it works like expected. That paper color won't be printed because it's just simulating the color of your printing substrate at the buyer side. So let us check if it works here in the same way. Yeah, here we go. And if we ask for a production file output, it is not part of the printing file. If you really would like to print that color, we have to change the setup slightly. So we go back here to our target document, to the layout snippet tab, to turn on the function all background shapes. So I will turn off the other option. I will remove all frames here from the snippet. I will set back the paper color to white, and now we need a background shape. So I will place a shape. I will use dock to bleed to scale it to the document size, to turn it off again. That's just for scaling, just a workaround to make my life easier. And now the paper color of the layout snippet should change the color of the background frame here. So if we place it to give it a try, we're not getting what we expected. That got 2 reasons. Number 1 is the layers. Layout snippets are always be placed at the bottom of a base layer. So my shape here, the gray one, needs to be on a separate layer underneath the base layer. So we will add a layer called background to move the shape to the background layer, and now we at least see the content of the layout snippet, but the layout snippet paper color is not changing the background color. And this is because we need an additional setting for that background shape. And you find it at the buyer side settings of the shape. We have to define it as a background frame. Okay, let's try it again. And now it works. So the paper color of the layout snippet is defining the background color of our target document. That means if I'm now asking for an output file for the print production file, it will include the background color to be printed. That's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.